today we see the chapter 6, Introduction to Word Processor. So first what we see, it is word processor. What is word processor? Word processor is a computer software to create, edit, manipulate, transmit or store or retrieve a text document. So it is a word processor. So what is word processing? It is an activity carried out by a computer with the suitable software to create, edit, manipulate, transmit and store or retrieve the text documents. That is word processing. And now let us see what is a proprietary source and what is open source. What is proprietary source? Proprietary software means it is owned by this software is owned by an individual or company. And open source is, it is a download at free of cost. So now let us see what are the proprietary source word processing software. So Microsoft Word, it is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and WPS Word, it is developed by Kingsoft. Word Pro, it is developed by Lotus Corporation. And some open source word processing software are Openoffice Writer, it is developed by Apache. LibreOffice Writer, it is developed by the Document Foundation. And AbiWord, it is developed by Abisource. And some Tamil word processors are Tamil Openoffice Writer, Tamil LibreOffice Writer, Kamban 3.0 and Main Tamil 2017. These are the Tamil word processors. Next we study about, in this chapter we are going to learn about Openoffice Writer word processor. So what is Openoffice? So now let us see what is Openoffice. Openoffice is the leading open source office software for word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, graphics, database, etc. Okay, so it is available in many languages and works on all common computers. So it is easy to learn. So let us see some software packages in Openoffice. So first one, Openoffice Writer. What is the use of Openoffice Writer? It is a word processor to create text documents. And then Openoffice Calc, it is a spreadsheet to create worksheet. And what is next one, Openoffice Base. It is used to develop the database. And next one, Openoffice Impress. Openoffice Impress, what is the use? It is used to present the presentation software. And the next one, Openoffice Draw, it is a drawing software. Next one, Openoffice Formula, it is used to create formula and equations. And next, let us see what is Openoffice Writer. What is Openoffice Writer? It is the word processor to create text documents. And what are the features of Openoffice Writer? So what are the features in Openoffice Writer? First one, it is used to create templates and styles, and then next to create page layout methods, including frames, columns and tables, and embedding or linking of graphics, spreadsheet and other objects. And then it consists of inbuilt drawing tools, and it consists of master documents, that is to group a collection of documents into a single document, and then change tracking during revisions, and then database to develop the database integration, and then to export the PDF. The text documents is exported to PDF also. And how to download and install this Openoffice? In the Google, you have to type www.openoffice.org. So download at free of cost. So next we study about how to create a new document in Openoffice Writer. So first we have to create a new Openoffice Writer document by various methods. So from Windows, we have to select Start, All Programs, Openoffice Writer. And another one method is double click the Openoffice icon on the desktop. That welcome screen appears. The opening screen, that is, see the picture, this opening screen is called as Star Center. The opening screen is called as Star Center. And then how to create a new document in this? So you have to create a new document by selecting File, New, Text Document. See this, File, New, Text Document, or shortcut key Control plus N. Next we see let us see the parts of writer window. So what are the parts? The contents of the Openoffice writer are title bar, menu bar, toolbar, ruler, workspace and status bar. So the first one, title bar. It is displayed at the topmost part of the window, which displays the name of the document and also name of the application. Here the name of the document is Untitled 1 and the name of the application is Openoffice Writer. And in the right corner of the title bar, there are three buttons: minimize, maximize or restore and close control buttons. These are the control buttons. These three are called as control buttons. So what is the minimize button? What is the use of minimize button? When you click the minimize button, it shrinks your document window smaller in size and show it as a small button on the taskbar. If you want to restore its original size, means again you have to click the mouse pointer in the taskbar. It can be viewed as maximize picture. And then next one, maximize button. When you click the maximize button, your document window is displayed in the full screen. So when it is in full screen, the maximize button is changed as restore. That is double rectangle shape. Okay. And the next one, close button. So this button is called, last red color into button is called as close button. So what is the use of the red color close button? It may be called as exit or quit the Openoffice Writer. It can be exit or quit the Openoffice Writer. And in the menu bar also, it contains the menu bar rightmost corner. In the menu bar, there is another one cross mark. That is used to close your document alone. It is not close the Openoffice. Okay. And the next topic is menu bar. So in the menu bar is just below the title bar, which contains various menus like file, edit, view, insert, format, tables, tools, window and help. In the file menu, what are the options are available? New, open, close, save as, print, export, etc. In edit menu, what are the options available? Cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. And in view menu, what are the options available? Toolbars, web layout, print layout, navigator. In insert menu, what are all the commands we have? Pictures, tables, charts, headers, footers, special characters, etc. In the format menu, it contains options such as page size, layout, font characters, bullets and numbering. And table menu, it contains the tables to manage the tables such as create table, insert rows, insert columns, split cells, merge cells, etc. And in the tools menu, various tools are available: spell check, macros, mail merge, endnotes, footnotes. And in window menu, what are all the options available? New window, close window, split and freeze. In help menu, it lists out the inbuilt help features available with Openoffice. And then next one is toolbar. So under the menu bar, there are two toolbars are available by default. They are standard toolbar and formatting toolbar. So what is standard toolbar? It is just below the menu bar, which consists of shortcut icons for frequently used commands. So the frequently shortcut icons are some copy, paste, undo, save, etc. And then formatting toolbar. So what is formatting toolbar? It is below the standard toolbar, which consists of icons used for formatting the text like bold, underline, italic, font type, font color, etc. And the next one is ruler. The ruler is what is a ruler? It is a scale below the formatting toolbar which shows the margins. So there are two set of rulers, horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. So what is horizontal ruler? Horizontal ruler is used to set left and right margin of the page, and vertical ruler, it is used to set top and bottom margin of the page. And the next, workspace. The workspace is the blank area which is used to type the content of the file. So a flash vertical bar appears at the beginning of the screen is called as insertion point. And the last one, status bar. The status bar is at the bottom of the window, which shows the current status of the document such as number of pages, current page number, default language, etc. So these are the parts of writer window. The next one is how to enter the text. So how enter the text. Once a new document is opened, the text can be typed in a blank area of the screen. So as the text is typed, they appear on the screen and the insertion pointer moves to the right. When the text reaches the end of the line, the word is automatically wrapped to the next line. So this feature in any word processor is known as word wrap. And the enter key must not be pressed at the end of the each line. The enter key should be pressed only at the end of the paragraph or when a blank line is to be inserted. If one page is completed, means it automatically creates a new page. And then moving with the next one, moving with the document. Moving within a document means you have to use the shortcut keys which are moved to easily within the document. So we have to use the keyboard shortcut keys. What are the keyboard shortcut keys? Right arrow, left arrow, top up arrow, down arrow. So using this arrow keys, you have to use the shortcuts. So what are the actions they are done? First, right arrow, it moves to a character right. Left arrow, it moves a character left. Up arrow, it moves one line up. Down arrow, it moves one line down. And control plus right arrow, one word right, it will be moved. Control plus left arrow, one word left, it will be moved. Control plus up arrow, one paragraph, it will be moved. One paragraph up, it will be moved. And control plus down arrow, one paragraph down, it will be moved. And then if you are clicking the home key, it is moved to the beginning of the line. If you are clicking the end key to the beginning of the, to the end of the line. So control plus home you are clicking means to the beginning of the document it will be moved. Control plus end key means to the end of the document. If you are clicking the tab key to move one cell to right, shift plus tab key means to move one cell to left. If you are clicking the page up to scroll one screen up. If you are clicking the page down to scroll one screen down. So if you are typing all the documents, now we want to save the document. So next one, saving a document. How to save a document? The first time the document is saved, Openoffice Writer prompts for a name. So it asks name no. To save a document for the first time, the following steps you have to follow. First one, click File, Save or File, Save As or Control plus S. The Save As dialog box appears. So select the location to store your document and type your document name in the file name box. And finally, you have to click the save button. If you want to protect your document with the password means before clicking the save button, you have to click the save with password checkbox. You have to click the save with password checkbox. If you are clicking that means automatically and then click save button. So it shows the set password dialog box. So in this dialog box, you have to enter the password in enter password to open dialog box, text box, and retype the same password in confirm password box also for confirmation. So finally click OK button. Now your document will be protected with the password name. And how to close a document. Next we see the closing a document. How to close a document? After your document is saved, it will be still open. So you can continue type your document. When the work is finished, you should save the document and then close the document using file close or press Ctrl plus W. And next we see about closing unsaved document. When you close an unsaved document using the close control button, the writer shows one warning message. If you accept the warning message, click the save button means when you click the save button, it proceeds to save the file. If you are not willing to save the file means then you click discard. Or if you want to cancel this warning means you have to click the cancel button. Okay, and the next we see how to open an existing document. If you are created documents already it will be saved means it can be opened anytime. So to open an existing document, click File Open or Control plus O. So the Open dialog box appears. Enter the name of the file in the file name box and click the Open button.